Good morning, Mary. This is Rivenbark with Tameron Honda. I just wanted to shoot you a quick video. Tried to call you on Saturday, didn't hear anything from you, sent you a couple of emails, but I wanted to let you know that 2010 Toyota Corolla is still available. It's only got 81,000 miles, and as you can see, it's in excellent condition. Take a look at the tires. It's got light new tires on it, as well as the interior is beyond immaculate for a 9-year-old vehicle. No rips, stains, and the headliner is in great condition. All the buttons have all the paint. It doesn't even look like it's been worn. It looks like a brand new vehicle. So Mary, what I need you to do is give me a call, shoot me a text, or simply reply to this email. My number is 256-600-6525. My name's Clay Rivenbark. Out here at Tameron Honda in Hoover, we do business one way. That's the right way. And Mary, you're gonna love the way you're treated.
Alright, I'm gonna move the